Hello everyone, Mani Radiant here and I welcome you back to Fairy Tail Zero Anime Reviews. So guys, I hope you all are fine and healthy. Let's get on with the review then, shall we? Today's episode is titled episode number 97, Zeref the Black Magic Wizard and Mavis. Wow guys, this episode was the episode I hope you also will have been waiting for so much time. Some of you have read the manga, but I really wanted to get it animated and this anime handled it very well guys. I must appreciate that. So guys, let's get the review on the basis of characters. Now as the episode starts, like everyone are being stressed out and worried how can we defeat the Blue Skull Guild. So everyone is thinking. In the meanwhile, Mavis goes to get water and we eventually see the meeting of fate, or you can say the meeting of destiny. Mavis meets the Black Wizard Zeref. Oh wow guys. So guys, let's tackle Mavis first. Now Mavis was disappointed first and then she realized that basically they need to learn magic, and for this she decided to get Zeref to teach her and her friends magic, and then Zeref agrees that helps them by simply teaching them magic. But before this, we talk about that Zeref was talking them from a far distance, like he doesn't want to get them near him and in order to get killed. So Mavis understands this, and Mavis also holds the pain of being lonely and shares it with Zeref, and Zeref was being very thankful to Mavis. Like Mavis explained how it feels, how you have feel for the black curse you have. And guys, in this episode for first time I have understood what is Ithirano. Now Ithirano is a particles that very much depends upon the feelings of a person. If you have no feelings and the will of magic inside you, you will not be able to learn magic. This theory was given to us by Zeref. Now guys, everyone agrees upon Zeref teaching them, and Zeref decides to become a teacher. Like he teaches them magic, and Yuri, Precht, Mavis, Zera, and eventually Warrod all become one and meditated till days and night passed, and Mavis keep watching them. And what a fun way to have them see meditating for magic. And the hilarious moment of this episode was the way the meditation was, the way Yuri did. Now Yuri is the character that holds the power of energy, the youth he has, and his eventually meditation was a action meditation, you can say. And the first one to learn magic was Precht, and then Yuri, and eventually Warrod. Now Warrod had some difficulty in learning magic, like he had no offensive magic. He was very sad and gloomy. Till then Mavis shows up and explains the circumstances, that he has been a great friend to Yuri and Precht, and they also deal him with a very great friend and a comrade, and they had some competition along with them, but they all are real comrades, care for each other, they have the ability to save each other. And Precht and Yuri also decides they are alive due to Warrod, because Warrod always saves them, and now it's their turn to save Warrod. Listening to this, Warrod becomes emotional, and this helps him to learn the support magic. He has no offensive magic, but he can turn his support magic to offense. Like Zeref explains this, that the color of your feelings decides what magic you will read or obtain. And then eventually everyone learns the magic. The scenes of learning the magic by Yuri were very awesome. I really loved how Yuri was learning the magic. And then we also got some very pretty much hilarious moments between the episode that were really awesome. The episode was very open, very smooth, and we had Mavis and Zeref only for first part of the episode, but then after learning them, Mavis departs as Zareth goes and explains that the real theory, the real basic theme, or you can say the dialogue of this whole episode was Fairy Tail will be established in within 10 days, and the reason of killing Mavis was Zareth himself. Now these lines were said by Zareth. Oh my god guys, these lines were so epic. When you do watch the episode, or you had watched the episode, you know what my reaction would be, and your reaction would be wow, it would be simply awesome guys. For holds very the main theme of this episode. So guys, let's hope for the more development of Fairy Tail, more development of all the treasure hunters, Mavis and Zareth, further meetings. I'm waiting for it. Do tell your opinion guys in the description down below, and if you like my video, do subscribe it. I would really appreciate that. Thank you everyone, and as always, take care and stay hype.